Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it. And then on top you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on personal hotspot, and here you can turn on or your personal hotspot. After turn on your personal hotspot, then go back and then check your internet works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings again and scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all your settings, then go back to your screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.